Hi everyone, meet Sammy. We picked up Sammy yesterday for his 6-week residential stay. Although he looks calm now, he was insistent on showing us all of his naughty behaviours when we took him for a walk around his local area. Have a look at what he had to show us. So as you can see, Sammy's got a fair bit to work on over the next 6 weeks. Today, his first day, he's simply relaxing, enjoying his new environment, and most importantly, getting to know his trainers, who are going to be working with him over the duration of his stay. He's very food motivated, he really likes toys, so we're going to utilise that in the training and really try and help him.
Sit. Yes, get it. Oh, gosh,
Good boy. He's a dummy, Rob. Follow Sammy's progress over the next 6 weeks with us.